Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to watch a brand new movie, The Monkey. I haven't seen a trailer for this, but hopefully this is a good one. A few of my favorite reactors reacted to this, so I figured why not watch it and see what it is about. If you enjoyed this reaction, consider subscribing to this channel. And also I have another channel where I do different type of TV shows and movies, and make sure you check it out. It is called Real Introverts. And obviously like and let me know in the comment section what you thought of this movie. Let's go. La, 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 la. Not the type of music I thought I'd hear in a horror movie. La, 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 la. Amore. This makes more sense. A bunch of weapons. And you know the best thing about not watching a trailer is that you don't know where this is going. The monkey in question. Is it going to be possessed? Wait! Is that... Wait. Is that Michael Scott? Not my husband.
You know you got a fair amount of blood on you there, sir.
If you enjoy Michael Scott, check my other channel because we did Severance. Oh, that's a nice surprise.
Hey, listen, I need you to take this thing off my hands. It's maybe someone else's problem.
Oh my God.
I thought my boys were going to love it, but...
You are drenched in blood, sir.
Actually, I don't know.
I would leave it here and run out of the store.
You do not want the goddamn drumstick to come down.
Uh-oh.
Okay? Because when it does...
Uh-oh. It's a possessed monkey, I guess. Yo, it scared me. Run. Just run out. Just run out.
Well, sir, can't speak for you, but I don't feel especially fucked to have.
Oh, run. Okay. Sir, you need to leave.
Who's smiling now, you infernal son of a whore?
It's not gonna burn. Oh, it is burning, but it's gonna come back.
I don't know if every father passes some secret horror onto his kids, but mine sure did.
Oh, I love that Michael Scott had a little cameo in this. That was great.
This is me and my twin brother, Bill. He was older than me by 3 minutes and ate most of my mom's placenta, so that made him my big brother, even if I did sometimes fantasize about being an only child.
I hate you, Bill Shelburn.
Oh my God. Of course it's not real. Be for real, Pam.
My
Oh my
raised us
God.
on
Is
her
that
own.
Tatiana not Tatiana Ali. What is her last name? I forgot her last name, but oh, I love her too.
It says organ grinder monkey.
Here we go.
Hey, give me that thing. Here.
We don't want to see what happens. We saw it at the beginning.
You think this does junk if I turn this?
It's haunted.
Don't, Bill. It's Dad's. Dad's gone, fuckface. And I'm his next of skin, so...
Next of skin. These kids are too much. Well, this one is too much. Be happy that that's all it did. Count your blessings. Not a pack of nutty
Don't come in our
cards.
room, dumb shit.
No, see, I didn't need to know that. You are too young. did she get in the front seat? I need to see him walk. I just want to see some. Oh, sir, look at what you're doing. Okay. Smooth. Someone's about to die. So many knives and a hot plate. Shut up. How? 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 How did her whole head? How? Oh! Sizzling. Wow. But how?
Call it a coin toss, you know, heads or tails. But not Annie's head, because that is...
No, don't say it. Oh.
That's a separate issue.
Stop talking. Stop talking.
Right? Why Annie? Why not you?
What do you mean, why not you?
Or you? Everything for a reason, yeah.
That's the worst priest ever.
It is what it is. The word of the Lord.
Sir, hang it up. Hang it up.
Everybody dies. Some of us peacefully in our sleep. And some of us horribly, violently, tied up with clothesline
I like her. Tell them like it is.
and all that jazz.
Mm-hmm. The music.
Why'd you put Dad's weird monkey in our room?
She didn't.
You know I don't go in there anymore since I found that stiff sock.
Ew.
You didn't have anything to do with my babysitter's head, right?
Of course he did.
I'd be like, yo. Say, I want to be Mrs. Stupid Monkey. I want to be Mrs. Stupid Monkey. I want to suck its banana.
Okay, can he die next? I'm kind of sick of it.
I want to suck its banana. All right. We have a deal. You can have the
Don't.
monkey. Idiot.
Monkey, kill him next. I'd say it just in case.
That asshole kid who lives in here with me, that's Bill. You wanna know something else? I
Tell
wish
him.
Bill was dead.
There you go. You have to talk to your monkey. Now you get it. Woo! Let Bill be the next one. I hate kids. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed.
Not even making it yet?
No, not Tatiana, please, not Tatiana. Why did the monkey not kill Bill? What? Is she just randomly dying? Okay, I guess we can't ask him to do shit.
The doctors call what happened to my mom a boomerang aneurysm. But I was the only one who knew what it really was.
Now the monkey can't even be helpful? Oh, he's gonna try to cut up the monkey. I thought he was gonna kill his brother. I was like, yo, he's crazy. Now that reminds me of The Simpsons. The monkey hand? Yeah. Cut it up. He's gonna be back in your room intact by morning. Damn. Don't give me a jump scare. Is the monkey gonna be outside? It's the fucking monkey. Why are you here?
Why the hell did you bring it? I didn't. I chopped it up. Doesn't look chopped up to me. You think it can kill the person who turns the key or not? How the hell should I know?
That's what I was just wondering. I feel like the only one who's maybe immune is the one who turns the key.
I'm gonna try it. Don't, Bill.
It was a I overheard the undertaker say that when they dumped the body out, it looked like someone had dropped cake and cherry pie.
Ew. That was so much. Uh-huh. Is that the monkey? I would never go down those stairs. She's gonna be next. Why would you go down the stairs? Why does everybody feel the need to investigate? The monkey's gonna be right here. Oh no. Now the light is off. Jesus! I thought she was gonna shoot herself. Freaking hell! It's not over. Gas. Gas. I was gonna say, why would you put your face there? Just check if it's open. Like, what? Who does that? Where are you going? How did you put...
I haven't seen the monkey since we threw it down the well, but it feels like only a matter of time before it comes back.
Oh my God. Those kills?
I pretty much lost all contact with Bill, and I'm good with that.
Me too.
He's kind of an asshole anyways. But staying away from family?
Elijah Woods?
That's easier said than done.
Petey's been asking about you more and more, Hal.
Okay, so he's the stepdad.
I care about Petey, I do. Like, I care about him.
He's scared because of the monkey. He doesn't want him to die.
Ted has decided to legally adopt Petey.
What?
And once the adoption's finalized, it won't be necessary for you to see Petey.
But doesn't he have to? He has to relinquish his parental rights.
Can't I?
Listen, you and Petey have this time. So just...
Yeah, he has to agree to the adoption. You can't just adopt someone's kid. Not the monkey. I thought he was sleeping for some reason. I thought his eyes were going to be closed. It's spinning. Oh, God damn. No, he's dreaming. Uh-oh. Is he gonna get... Yep. Okay, I'm glad we didn't see it. I was like, that's rough. If we see him getting dismembered...
Well, hello, dumb shit.
Why is he back?
Bill.
Can't be the only person who calls you dumb shit.
And he hasn't changed.
And Ida is no more.
Auntie's gone.
I guess she was kind of old. Was she sick or something?
The nice young policewoman I spoke to used the phrase freak accident.
Yep.
What am I supposed to do? Drop it from a fucking plane? It'll probably bounce.
No, you never let it out of your sight again so no one turns the key.
Or how about you go?
The monkey must be vanquished.
You go get it. And make sure nobody turns the key.
Bill, Bill. Fuck.
Oh my God. Oh no. No, 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 no. No. Yo, she exploded. She exploded. Why would she explode like that? What the fuck? So, oh, did he come for real with his kid? Okay. Wow, they didn't take that down or anything.
You must be Hal Shelburn. Your brother Bill Shelburn said you'd be coming.
Oh,
Brother.
Yeah, right. Hi, Barbara. Yeah.
That brother Bill of yours is quite the character, isn't he?
Yeah.
Your brother Bill,
Keep saying brother.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's odd. I don't remember locking this.
Hey, you wouldn't happen to remember if my aunt had a wind-up toy monkey at the yard sale?
Oh, no, I don't think so. Oh, not a cherished childhood memory now, was it?
Letty, that's why you ask before you sell people's stuff.
I did my own little process of elimination.
No.
Why does everybody explode? Oh, yep. Did that go in your mouth? Oh, a finger.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Ooh. Okay, how are you going to say everything is fine? How are you going to go downstairs with all this blood on you?
The monkey's not here. Aunt Ida had a goddamn yard sale, so it could have been, but now it could be anywhere with anyone. Well, that's not good. That's bad.
Yeah, there's all kinds of shit happening in town. People dying in not normal ways.
Mrs. Monkey? That's a leap.
Hello. If this is in regards to my aunt, I'm happy to report that my quest for finding my beloved toy monkey is over.
Uh-oh. Is it Bill? It's Bill. Why does he have the winding piece around his neck?
The moment you slip from my fingers.
He took the monkey this whole time.
That my dumb shit brother had turned your key and killed my mom.
Oh, he's trying to get revenge.
Pure medical grade nothingness.
So that's what his life has been.
But then, there you were.
Hi. Psycho. He's trying to get his brother. He wants the monkey to kill his brother.
Constant as the sun, the moon, and the stars. As if you had always been looking down on me.
Ah!
And so that I might once again bear.
Miss Fashion. I love this little ensemble.
In your infinite wisdom, I trust your flaming sword of righteousness will cut the foul air and smite the right person.
They both try to kill each other and it didn't work. It's not gonna work. Because I'm sure the monkey enjoys the fact that you two are at each other's throat all the time.
So can I have it back?
Never. I implored you to find the monkey, not to fall in love with it. Yes. It's me. You have it, don't you? I don't know, maybe. Come on, Bill, Mrs. Monkey. I know you are, but what am I? Stop turning the key. Its arms aren't fucking long enough or articulate enough to reach back there itself, so somebody has to. Where are you, Bill? If you want Petey to be safe, all Petey has to do is turn the key, and keep turning the key forever and ever and ever, and Petey will never die.
I mean, if you want your brother dead, do the deed yourself. Because then you can end up on the bad side of the monkey. Like, this guy's insane. He makes no sense.
Open up! It's the motherfucking police!
You're so not believable.
We're gonna go for a little drive, okay? Okay, all right.
Insane. But at least he's gonna find his brother.
You get me the monkey, and you bring it out, okay?
What monkey?
It's got a little red vest, and it holds a drum, and I need it.
Why does this guy know about a monkey and I don't?
He doesn't know about the monkey, and he's not going in there. That's why we have to get as far away from this place as possible.
Seriously, kid, you gotta hope you get...
I don't like that he's just holding the gun and pointing it. It's gonna go off.
There's a doggy door around back, and your kid better hope that he's scrawny enough to fit.
So whatever you do, don't turn the key in the monkey's back.
He's gonna do it just because you told him not to. That's how it goes. You jinxed it. Oh, smart. This is filled with booby traps. Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I love how he's talking to him like he knows him. That's the first time you see him.
It's been a long time since anyone's asked me that. But now that you mention it,
No, you're not okay.
no. It's just a toy.
Is it though?
Why don't you try turning it, hmm?
Grab it and run.
Touch. Turn the key.
And find out.
See what happens.
Mm-mm. Your dad already told you what would happen. He told you not to turn the key. Take the key out, if anything. What? I mean, I don't know why I'm surprised. I already said that he would, but if he was smart, he would take the key out. Please tell me it's Bill. Oh no, it's gonna be Mr. Fake Cop.
Jesus fucking Christ!
I knew it. Him and his gun. Oh no! Block it. Block it with something. Block it. No. He's like, let's wake up. What's on the menu?
Holy shit.
Get out of the car, get out of the car, get out of the car, get out of the car. Get out of the car. They went inside his body.
Fuck.
They went inside his body. Ew, ew, ew. Oh. Not looking. No.
Kill him. Kill my dumb shit brother and do it now! I command you!
No, now he's gonna be like, okay, enough of you. You got to go. He's being unreasonable. You know the monkey cannot be controlled. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Because one of the booby trap did something earlier. Excuse me? We're doing a magic trick now, bitch.
Are you mad at me?
Yes. What do you think? Oh. Oh. Okay, the whole world, I guess. Who's that? Just people falling from the sky?
What all this carnage was for? Could have killed Petey, could have killed my fucking son. For what? Why? Because you killed my mom.
Trying to kill him.
I know you wanted to kill me. But the goddamn thing doesn't take requests, obviously. She was my mom, too. Oh, yeah.
What do you mean, oh, yeah?
Never thought about it like that.
What? Is he all the way there?
Sure.
I feel like Bill knows he has a bunch of booby traps. Of course.
Nah.
Like, now is not the time. If you do it twice.
Sorry.
I want him to die so bad. I still don't trust him. Bye, Bill. From the beginning of the freaking movie, man. I've been waiting. Lois. His ears, his eyes. Take the key out of the monkey. Somebody, please.
Everybody dies, you know, at the same time.
Not a baby on fire. That is crazy. There's no need to make that red stop. Come on. Who? A ghost? They're still cheering. How? What? All right, guys. Well, that was The Monkey. I really enjoyed this movie. All the deaths were pretty creative, and I really love that. I don't know why everybody was exploding. Are they the same people who did Ready or Not? Because that's kind of their style. But anyway, I love that at the end, I got what I wanted, which was Bill gone. It took a while. It took 25 years, but we got there. So let me know what else you would like to see on this channel. Leave your recommendation down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this movie. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.